Hi all, Plantside Agent here. Today I'm going to take a look at my Possibles bag that I carry when I go out on the kayak. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, let's take a look at this thing. Start with, it's just your standard issue fanny pack I've had for years. I kind of like this one to have this little outside pocket here or strap. And for starters, the outside, so you can strap stuff to it. And in this case, I have a rolled up rain shell that it'll strap right there. I kind of like this as a Possibles bag in that if I decide to get off the boat and do a little hiking or exploring around, I can just strap this fanny pack on, and I got my stuff with me. So anyway, I can carry a rain shell. I mostly do most of my work in the summer, so I don't need a lot of really heavy duty gear. And also, um, I'm not going to get too far from the boat. So anyway, so it came with this little outside pocket, which I usually put my wallet in. That's what I use for that. So what I carry, I got a little carabiner here on the outside. Use that to for whatever. I think if I'm going to go into a little more sketchier water, I would use it to attach the console that's on the front of the boat that's usually just held on with bungee cord. I can attach that, so if it got separated, I wouldn't lose it. Hopefully I never roll over, but anyway, let's get on with this. Okay, sunglasses in a hard case. Let's see, next. This, uh-oh, where did it go? Came untied. I need to work on my knots. What I have here, it's a little rubberized clamp. I have the handholds on the front of the boat. What I can do is, if I wanted to drag this, if I had to drag it any distance, over a gravel bar or something, instead of having to, bend over and kill your back while you're dragging this thing, what this does is I just clip this to the handholds, and then I have this handle here that actually I made out of a old broomstick, and you can lift it up and carry it, more as standing up as you drag the boat. So that's what I have this for. And obviously, I don't know how it came undone. I guess that's how accidents happen. Things come undone when you're not paying attention. So anyway, I go fix this before I put it back in, get it all knotted up. Okay, next, for me, I have acid reflux and I get heartburn, so I always have heartburn pills with me. I got here is a first aid kit. I think this is a Sawyer. I actually added some stuff to it. I might go over this in a separate video, what actually I got in my first aid kit, but always need a first aid kit. Next, this is a compass. What I do, probably really wouldn't need a compass for most of the stuff I do. On the river, it's pretty obvious, upriver, downriver, left and right, unless you're going way off bushwhacking. And if I did, if I was going to do any bushwhacking, heavy duty stuff from my kayak, I'd bring my good Silva Forster compass. But this would get me by for anything. On a larger lake, actually a couple times on big lakes, have been fogged in. I actually had to get the compass out and follow that to get to the other side of the lake because I couldn't see anything in the middle of the lake. So anyway, so it's always good to have one. Doesn't hurt. And this thing is in the boat. It's not real big. Doesn't take a lot of weight. So it's, bring extra stuff. It doesn't cost you that much to do it, and you might come in handy. Of course, Kaibo tape or toilet paper. I have some hand sanitizer on the inside, so when you're done with your business. So let's see. I'll just tell you a call this Kybo tape, KYBO, and I got this from a buddy of mine. He called it that, and one time I actually went out and I said, "What if that means something?" I looked it up, and actually it comes back from way back in I think about the time Kellogg was getting started with his sanatorium, and they were really heavy into bowel stuff. I guess that was before a lot of fiber. People had a lot of problems. Anyways, it stands for keep your bowels open, but I always thought it was a clever name, Kybo tape. So that's what I call it. Call it what you want. See, I got extra Ziploc bag. I think this mostly just if I'm going to go into some rougher water, I'll put my wallet inside that to keep it dry. But generally this bag sits in the dry hatch in the back of the boat. Yeah, what else I got in here? It's like Christmas. A little extra food. Nature Valley granola bar. I like these. I don't like the other ones that are really just candy bars. This is just the old packed in granola bar. My favorites. Let's see. And okay, I got some duct tape and a Mylar emergency blanket. I know some guys hate Mylar blankets. I'd love to have, a $200 Sin Silk, lightweight tarp, but this is darn better than nothing. Actually, probably would even be better than this would be a large plastic garbage bag, but this is what I have. It's light, it's compact, and it's better than nothing. So if you can come up with a reason why nothing would be better than this, I'll take what you had to say in advisement. Okay, this is just a headlamp. Got to have a flashlight. In fact, I probably better check the batteries before I put that away. That's something I probably should do at least once a year to make sure the batteries are still good. I did recently check the headlamp in the one I carry in my day pack. Okay, what I got here in a plastic Ziploc bag is a Schrade survival knife. It's actually got a fire steel and a sharpener with it, and a Ziploc bag because it is carbon. It's not stainless steel. It's like carbon steel, and we're on the water. Okay, I got a handful of zip ties. In these things, 101 uses. Some bank line, 101 uses. Some paracord, 101 uses. And I think that's it. So, guess in the interest of brevity, I'm not going to go into a lot of detail on like the first aid kit and the survival knife. I'm sorry for the abrupt shift in views here from the pack all unpacked and all the gear laying out to this one all put back away. But I was about ready to I was wrapping this thing up, and I went ahead and looked, and the the camera turned off. So I don't know why. It never happened to before, and I've done longer videos, but it shut down and it chopped off the last little bit, which was basically my goodbyes. So anyway, again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.